With more and more people coming on Instagram each day, it's time to step up your game. So we're gonna design amazing Instagram posts by making them in Canva. So step one, of course, going on Canva, going and create a design. We're gonna write Instagram post. We're gonna go for the square version. So the cool thing with Canva is there's already a ton of templates you can use if you don't have any ideas or you want to get inspired or anything. Especially if you have a business, most of these templates were made for business owners. As you can see, let's take this one for example. It's a clean post, new product. I like the little shadowy, the foggy. So all you would do is you take this image, you replace it with your own merch, and that's it. Let's say your merch is a basket. There you go, you have an Instagram post. I know it's not the best one, but honestly, if you're going more for like quantity over quality, use templates. It's basically a cheat code. But let's say you want to start something from scratch. So the first step is your main product. So honestly, you would probably find this in your uploads. You would put an image or something and you would work with it. For me personally, I have another anime channel. So let's do an anime post just for fun so you can see how it works. So I would use an anime character as my main focus. So right now we're using Luffy. For the background, you can either use the basic background, like let's say just change colors, or you can put in a picture. Honestly, I'm more fond of putting pictures because I think it looks better. So let's say we put this one, we set image as a background, we zoom in a bit more so we don't see the black parts. Now we have this, we rotate it a bit, let's make it taller. So the next step is elements. You're gonna put a lot of elements that are gonna make your post amazing. So I'm gonna go in my recently used and we're gonna try to work something with it. So now for the text, you're gonna go to add a heading. I'm gonna write year 5. Go in fonts, change it. I'm gonna go with Zing Rust base. We're gonna do it. So I threw something together. I know it's not the prettiest, but like on a time crunch, it is what it is. So if I spend 5 minutes on it, if you spend like a good 15 minutes, you're gonna have an amazing Instagram post. But anyway, this is what I have. It's like the main character, you put a background, you put some like elements behind, you put like some text, whatever you want, and you can get something like this. Now take this concept and add it to your own business if you want to start from scratch, or again, like I said, if you want to make multiple posts, just go in templates and just change some objects around. But anyway, this is how you would make a great Instagram post using Canva. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you want to learn more about Canva, click on this video right here.